Hi, I'm here to talk to you about the new food pyramid. We are going to look at the food pyramid and notice that in this new pyramid, the physical activity is a key concept of staying healthy. You can tell because the guy that's running up the pyramid shows that not only do you need to exercise, but you do need to eat very healthy as well. Both of those together will make you very, very healthy and have a lot more energy. Now we also have 6 color bands that represent each food group, and right now we're going to look at each food group. The first group is the grains group. Grains are any food made from wheat, rice, oats, cornmeal, barley, or other cereal grains are grain products. Now these are divided into 2 subgroups. The first subgroup is whole grains, and the second one is refried grains. You want to eat most of your food from the whole grain groups, and some of those would include whole wheat bread, oatmeal, wild rice, whole wheat pasta, and tortillas. Now the refined grains aren't as healthy for you, and some of these include white bread, white rice, and things with white flour in them. Kids the age from 10 to 17 should have about 10 ounces of grains a day. Now this 10 ounces would be approximately 1 to 2 cups of cooked pasta or rice would be about 4 ounces of that serving. Now you need to watch out carefully what you eat in the grains because eating too much grains can lead to weight gain. The next one we're going to look at is the vegetable group. To stay healthy, you should include more dark green vegetables, orange vegetables, and dried beans and peas. The green vegetables would include broccoli, spinach, and romaine lettuce. The orange vegetables would include carrots, sweet potatoes, pumpkins, and squash. You want to limit the amount of starchy vegetables, and starchy vegetables would include white potatoes, corn, and green peas. Kids from the age of 10 to 17 years old should have 4 cups of vegetables a day. The next food group that we are going to look at is the fruits group. Now, the fruit group, you need to make sure that it includes any kind of fruit, and you want to have 100% fruit juice, which also counts as part of the fruit group. Now, the servings for age 10 to 17 years old would be approximately 2.5 cups a day. Now, fruit is an excellent source for a dessert for after dinner. The next group we're going to talk about is the oils group. The oils are ones that taste really good, but aren't the healthiest for you. Greasy foods such as French fries, cooking oil, and donuts might be included in these oils group. But there are also some really good natural oils such as nuts, fish, and salad dressings. Now, children from age 10 to 17 should have approximately 11 teaspoons a day of oils. The next food group we're going to look at is the milk group. And this, of course, includes milk, yogurt, and cheese. Now, this has a very important thing because it gives you calcium for your bones, potassium, and vitamin D. Now the servings from ages 10 to 17 years old are about 3 cups of fat-free or low-fat milk. If you don't drink milk, then it's important to have some yogurt or cheese daily. Now the last group that we're going to talk about is the meat and beans group. Now, With the meat and beans group, you notice that the bean also is included in the vegetables, so you kind of interlap these two together. Some of these things include fish, dry beans, nuts, seeds, meats, poultry, and eggs. Dry beans and peas are included in both the meat and vegetable group, and you should only eat about 7 ounces of meat a day. One would kind of be like if you had 1/4 cup of cooked dry beans, or 1 egg, or 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, or 1/2 ounce of nuts. And as with the grains, you need to make sure that you watch your portion size. And that's the end of our food pyramid. And now you get to do your homework project. In week number 1, without thinking, you're just going to be writing a log of everything you eat, Monday through Friday. But then in week 2, with what you've learned with the new food pyramid, you're going to write down how maybe you can change with how you ate the first week to the second week. See kind of what areas you need to improve. Do you need more fruits? Do you need more vegetables? More grains? Do you need to take out some grains? What would make you most healthy? And after that, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to write everything down you eat this week. When you're done, you get to analyze it. You're going to share it with your other peers and with us in the blog. You're going to share with them any differences in the way you felt between the first and second week. You're going to also share if you thought it was more difficult to eat healthy, or did you enjoy it? Did you feel like you had more energy throughout this? And so that's what you are going to share. So it's very important to eat healthy, and I can't wait for you to go out and enjoy doing this activity. You can find this activity on our website, on the additional website pages for the nutrition worksheet. So go have fun and eat healthy.